So this is one of our 1 bedroom and 1 full bathroom units here next to the Galleria Mall. You walk right into this open kitchen. Really nice granite countertops, fully furnished. Nice seating, leads right into the living room. Has a really nice balcony out here. Pretty wide. You have a view of the Galleria Mall itself right there. And then here's the bedroom. Pretty cozy. It's got a TV in here as well, with streaming services logged in for you. Leads right into the bathroom. Pretty clean and spacious. Updated shower and tub with a pretty big walk-in closet as well. Lots of natural lighting, and it has an in-unit washer and dryer.